The Central Square parking area is located near busy traffic in dense urban area in Pori, Finland. Stormwater from this dense urban environment contains heavy metals, suspended solids, oil products, and nutrients, which end up in the stormwater system and eventually in the Baltic Sea. During heavy rains, the city's stormwater pipe network is full of water, calling for more local retention and absorption of stormwater. Trees and plants located previously in the parking area did not thrive due to the soil around the roots being compacted. The roots did not receive enough water or oxygen to grow. In addition, the plants could not fully utilize the stormwater, as they were located higher than the rest of the ground, and stormwater was directed straight into the drains. As part of the MUSTBE project, new green lanes were built in the parking area, and the old trees were replaced with new ones to more effectively absorb stormwater and ensure good growth conditions for the planted vegetation. To ensure sufficient water and oxygen supply to the tree roots, stormwater and runoff from the parking and road area are directed to trees and perennials planted in structural soil. Structural soil consists of gravel and soil, acting as a supporting structure in paved areas, while also allowing sufficient growth space for the tree roots. In addition, instead of only asphalt, the parking area has permeable block paving, which further enhances the absorption of stormwater into the ground. Excess stormwater passing through this biofiltration structure is further directed to a measuring well, which serves as a water quality monitoring point, and from the well to the stormwater pipe network. As of the end of 2025, there has been no excess stormwater passing through the solution, proving its effectiveness in absorption. The Central Square pilot aims to increase stormwater quality via the water filtering through and absorbing into the ground and vegetation, and to prevent urban flooding. With the multidimensional approach of the solution, it also brings other benefits, such as increasing the biodiversity and amenity of the urban environment, binding dust, balancing temperature, and dampening noise with the protection provided by the foliage of the trees.